Hi, it's Dr. Nassima Kadesh. I am a coach who helps women in STEM to achieve more confidence and more pride in their work, in their career, and in themselves by empowering their personal development through one-on-one coaching and programs. And right now, I want to talk about vision, which is part of the series on New Year. And during this New Year, what we're doing in the first few weeks of New Year is we're setting our intentions, our goals, our vision, and our growth plan for the year ahead and the years ahead. So one big important part is the vision. Which directions do I want to go in the next year, in the next couple of years, in the next 5 years. And we've talked about the questions to ponder for this part of setting up your vision. And what I want to add to that today is that you have to stay in touch with, connected with your vision as much as you need, as you want to be, and as much as possible. Life can sometimes take us apart from it because we are dragged into a lot of things at work and with the family, and we have a lot going on a lot of different levels. So what you want to be doing is making sure that every now and then, every week, every month, you go back to those questions that I've asked in the previous video and you ask yourself again those questions. Maybe you can do it at first every 3 months, every 2 to 3 months, and you ask yourself again those questions and you feel into it. You understand, like, are they still valid? And if not, how has my direction changed? Because life changes, evolves, and we evolve with life. And sometimes the visions and the dreams that we had evolve with it. Let me give you an example. A few years ago, I started an entrepreneurial business. And it was great at the time because it steered me in the direction of entrepreneurship, but that wasn't the business model that I wanted to bring to life. So I kept it on the side, but I launched another business because for me, the direction of entrepreneurship and of building something for myself and leaving a legacy behind was really important. And it was the right direction, but the vehicle I chose wasn't the right one. So I encourage you to look at your vision every so often, every couple of months, every week, maybe if you wanted to, and readjust based on where you are, what you've achieved, and where you want to go, the direction that you really want to go from now on. Don't let doubt kick in. Just ask yourself very simply and very nicely, is this still the direction I want to go in? If so, what vehicle am I choosing? How am I doing this? Which comes to the plan, the action plan, and the growth plan, which I'm going to talk about in further videos. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any more questions or need any more support, please contact me. Don't hesitate to drop your comments below the video, and if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer them. And don't forget, I offer one-to-one, so if you wanted to go deeper into that work because you don't feel like you know exactly the direction you want to go in, or the exact vision, the exact growth plan that you want to set up, don't hesitate to contact me. I would love to help you. Have fun with it, and I'll see you on the next video.